This synth doesn't sound like anything you've heard before. It's called Meld, and it doesn't care about fitting in. Most synths try to replicate analog warmth. Meld doesn't. It's built to explore, the kind of tool that makes you rethink what a synth can do. You get two independent synth engines, each with its own LFOs, envelopes, filters, and modulation routing. You can stack them, detune them, route them in parallel, or layer them into massive hybrid textures. There are 24 oscillator types to choose from. Classic analog shapes? Sure, but then it gets weird. Looped noise fragments, raindrop bursts, swarm clusters, chiptune stacks, and things that barely sound like instruments at all. Every oscillator comes with two custom macros, which means you're not just adjusting tone, you're shaping behavior. Try turning up crackle density or Shepard glide and see what happens. Want full control? The modulation matrix lets you assign anything to anything. MIDI CCs, velocity, pitch bend, or MPE pressure. You can even animate parameters with envelope loops and random bursts for glitchy, unstable movement. Meld isn't here to give you polished presets, it's here to give you a sandbox, and it rewards curiosity. Try building something from scratch. Stack a filtered square wave with a pitch-bent rain loop, pan the textures opposite ways, then add LFOs to modulate amplitude and filter cutoff. Now that's sound design. If your synth feels predictable, it's probably not pushing you. Want our free toolkit for Ableton Live, including sound design tips and tricks for Meld? Drop Ableton in the comments and we'll send you the link.